Hi everyone, I'm Jamil here, and today in this session we're going to talk about how to become a successful manager, how to become a good manager, how to take care of your resource, your subordinate, and how you can get the different ideas to become a successful manager, what sort of the qualities you should adopt to become a successful manager, and how different peoples get success in different management positions, and ultimately how they grow their career. Definitely every person is just very about to grow and develop the career, and every person want to get higher management positions. So here's the two type of the people simultaneously. One person who spend only a 5 year and become a good manager, and other person spend more than 10 year and he not able to get a good positions, good management position, good management role in organizations. Even though two persons are working together, two persons simultaneously doing a really hard work, but two persons are able to get the same position, same progress. So what is the reason behind it? So we'll illustrate a different sort of situation in front of you so that you guys can get the idea how to become a successful manager and what sort of the quality you should learn, you should develop in your personality, in your career, and how to manage your human resource at your workplace. So in our many prior videos or sessions, we have teach you, we have trained you about different management skill, how to time management skill, communication skill, team leading skill, or other different sort of skills. So first you need to know about what is the manager. Manager is the persons in any organization, in any institutions who manage the work and who manage the human resource at the workplace. For example, you are the manager of any organizations and you have a team of many people. Some are your subordinates, some are your officer, and you need to manage all the stuff properly, efficiently, accurately, and with the most care. So here the two type of the managers are: one are don't care about the circumstances or situations. They think that they are the superior and they don't care about the subordinates or other peoples, and they try to implement their own strategies, their own wishes, and their own things. But on the other hand, there is other sort of the managers who try to listen the subordinates, who try to understand the situation, and they learn really good adaptation skills, because adaptation skill is really necessary for you people to get success in different circumstances, in different situations. So how you can become a good manager and how you can grow your career really well. So a good manager is the persons who have certain sort of the qualities. One is he learn really good adaptation skills, and second is he always care about his subordinates, his human resource of his department, and third is he is not only think about himself, he think collectively about the whole peoples in his department, and third is he not always become proud on he is superiors, because this is one of the bad habits that develop the different managerial positions, and ultimately they dissatisfy their employees and they're not able to get the loyalty of the employees at the workplace. So the fourth major quality is you always should care about the suggestions of your subordinates, and you should also be actively participant in the work of your subordinate, because most of the managers they think that they are the superior, so they don't need to do any work. So one thing always remembers in your life that we heard about this from the successful peoples, they always become active participant in the work of subordinate, so that subordinates get more motivations, more enthusiasms, more energy. Because psychologically these things believed by 99% people of the world that if you are on a really good senior positions and your subordinates are doing some challenging work, they will not able to perform it really well unless you are the active participant in it. It will enhance their energy, it will enhance their motivation, it will enhance their capability and efficiency, because motivation is one of the great key element component. With the help of that, you can enhance your work efficiency, your work output, or your work results. So a manager should learn good management skills, how to manage ourselves and how to manage the human resource at different workplace. He should be learn good time management skill, because in a lot of offices we just research about this, the manager don't care about, he think that my subordinates are doing work, so he don't care about his time management, he don't care about his team leading. He think that his subordinates are doing work, so he don't need to lead about something. What is the difference between leader and the manager? So if you want to become a really good manager, you have to become a really good leader, because a lot of people think that a leader is something different. I should become a good manager. So if you really want to become a good manager, you have to become a really good leader. You have to lead your department, you have to lead your team, you have to lead to your co-worker, you have to lead to your subordinates. Because definitely if you are a really good manager and you have learned different techniques, different skills, different analytical skills, and different adaptation, time management, team leading, and other different skills, so you can lead your teams, your co-workers, your subordinates really well. So through these techniques you can become a really good manager, and with your skills and with your properties, you will be able to perform really well yourself, you will be able to grow yourself very well. And apart from these four major skills, you have to be elevate yourself. So elevation about what? Elevate is, first you have to be use your brain, your computer parts really well. So this is called analytical skill. And second, you should be a smart worker, because some managers, they're trying to spend many hours but they're not the smart worker, and many managers just spend a few hours and they do a lot of work efficiently and smartly. So you have to play yourself really smartly at different role, at different positions. You have to learn about the diversification, you have to learn about the multitasking skills. And because if you don't know about work diversification, you don't know about multitasking skill, and your subordinates will never be able to learn these skills. So if you learn all these skills, you can shift your skills, you can convert your skills to your subordinates, to your followers, to your team members, to your co-workers, so that if you are a smart worker and you teach these skills to other smart worker, so that means 1 and 1 is 11. So a lot of people can learn these skills from you. And fourth is, always try to teach your skills to other people, because some manager position research showing that when they learn different sort of the skills, they don't try to teach their subordinates, because they think that maybe subordinates will take their position. So this is something wrong, because if you have learned some really good skills, teaching skill, analytical skill, you should teach your co-worker, so that you can increase their efficiency, and ultimately if your whole team will be work properly, efficiently, and you will be increase your outcome, your results. So if appreciations will be comes toward your subordinates, you are the manager of their ordinates, and you will ultimately be able to get appreciations from your seniors, from your honors, from your institutions. So if you learn these sort of skills, you can become a good manager. If you guys not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it now and press the bell icon button so that every latest update come to you first. Me and my team, we try our best to teach you, to train you, to bring different information, knowledge, tutorial session so that you can enhance your capability, your information, your knowledge, and please share these videos with other people so that they get benefit from these videos. So till next video, please take care of yourself. Goodbye.